In this video, I wanted to show you how I gave myself a helping hand when I inflate the tires, because when the tires are low, the valve stem has a tendency to drop down into the tire when you put the hose on it. And even though this one clips on to the stem, when the tire is deflated, the stem will drop all the way into the tire and you're fighting it, especially if you need a third hand. For example, this Milwaukee inflator is heavy and the bike is off the ground up in the air in the garage, and you know the hose is only 2-3 feet long. And so trying to get it on there, pushing it on, you need to really press down on it. And if it drops into the tire, then you know you're going to need a third hand. It's just a mess. So I'll show you real quick what I do to solve that problem. And here it is, 4 inches of electrical tape. 6 is a bit pushing it. 4 inches is just about right, and if you'll notice, it's pretty much the same height as the stem is sticking out of the tire. So the width of the tape is the same as the height sticking out of the tire, and of course it's messing up when I'm filming it. Alright, let me go behind it this time. Come around, a little bit of overlap is okay. Of course you can always cut it and make it better. And wrap it right around here. See why I'm saying 6 inches is probably too long. And voila! Now the stem will not drop into the rim of the tire. You can attach your hose. Now, not all of them lock on. You know, especially if you go somewhere to fill up your tires, you know, go to a gas station or something, you have to hold it on there. And so then you're using 2 hands. You got to hold the stem up and push it on. So, you know, real pain. There we go. Easy peasy. I didn't have to hold the stem. And that's how I solved that problem. Of course, my other problem is making a video without editing it 500 times to make it look like I did it effortlessly. Alright, well that's it. A little trick I use. You know, if you want to use it, great. Hopefully it helps someone. Thank you for watching.